So today we're going to be doing something different, and we're going to be making some motorbike helmet holders to tidy up them fuckers over there because they're a little bit messy. Anyway, this will be a time lapse, so should go pretty quick, and see you at the end.
I may not have a brain, gentlemen, but I have an idea.
So crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sorry model, you just sit the ladder. Business happening in my tunnel. Now we're riding shotgun, and now we'll never get close. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I notice there's so many of them in this feeling. Not that any of us, and ladies love us. My body's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn, and we're starting to start it from dust. Okay, let's go.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam.
Well, bit of a flaw in my design. Welded, well, these little J-hooky things a little bit too narrow, so the helmet won't fit over them. So they're going to be used to hold me riding vest and shit up. And then I've got this last one that we're about to weld up now, and that'll make a bigger hook for my helmet. And then I'll have to make another couple for the boys' helmets. Anyway, see you soon. Cheers. Right, well, it's a bit far away, but that's okay. You guys can chill over there for a minute while I set all this shit up. There's always one clown that goes, oh, you don't know how to weld. No, you're right, I fucking don't. I'm not a fucking welder. Do I care? No! Because I just made these sick hooks, and they're going to work for what I want them to. Now, because... I have a hook there. Oh, how good. Right, there. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Hook's pretty off there. Oh. Hammer. Right, just cut into the wall. Oh, ow. Welding's still hot. Fucking cunt. Righto, how good? So, now I guess the thing is, will it fit my fucking helmet? On this one just here? Oh yes it will, how good. Don't take it off though, because it's still hot. I'll put it on when I come home. The other two are good though. And my riding vest can go there. Oh, now it's too fucking... stupid fucking cunt. We'll make another hook for the riding vest. Oh, you know what could go on these? My fucking helmets. My welding helmets. They are forever getting in the way of doing shit. Oh, that's not going to be... Fuck. Anyway, I'll work out the fuck's going on it later. And maybe my design next time will be a little bit better than this time. Anyway, catch us later.